Hi guys, welcome to today's video. For Halloween, I'm modeling quite a few Halloween books for you guys that you can follow along with. Today's book is going to be Three Little Ghosties by Pippa Goodhart. I like this book a lot. It's got a lot of sounds and everything with it that you can do just for fun with the kids. And probably the word that I plan on modeling the most will be little, which is under your describe button. Today I'm going to be modeling on the TouchChat app and the WordPower 60 basic vocabulary. All right, so Three Little Ghosties.
Little.
Three little ghosties sat on their posties, eating burnt toasties and telling big boasties. So they were telling big lies. Oh my goodness, look at that burnt toast. Do you like to eat burnt toast? I do not. Said ghostie number one, I went to scare gooslies, sitting in their schoolsies, learning spelling rulesies. I went, woo, 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 boo. What do you think happened?
What
happened? And they all dropped their booksies with silly, frightened looksies, and then they ran away home to bed. Why do you think they ran? Probably because they were scared of what that ghost did, huh? Hee hee hee, laughed the three little ghosties. See? Well, said ghostie number two, I scared some mean witches sitting in dark ditches, lipsticking their lipsies. See that? Plotting evil tricksies. I went clank, clank, shiver, shake, boo. What do you think happened?
What?
Do you think that the witches got scared? Were they scared too? And they jumped with the frighties, then flew off in their nighties, which means their pajamas, to hide in the deep dark wood. Hee hee hee, laughed the three little ghosties. Man, they are telling some stories, aren't they? Ghostie number three said, well, I scared a huge ogre. Huge means that he was really big. As big, in fact, as 6 treesies. Look at that. He's saying that ogre is as big as 6 trees put together. Standing in the breezies, picking at his fleasies. Ooh, yuck. And I spooked him with a moan, groan, boo. He galumphed through the woodsies, the fastest that he could seize. I want my mommy, he said. Hee hee hee, laughed the three little ghosties. They are not being nice, going around and making everyone scared, huh? Then the three little ghosties, all sitting on their posties, had finished their burnt toasties. Said ghostie number one, now what shall we do for a bit of fun? Let's go haunting and scare some girlsies. Yeah, and and boysies too. Uh-oh. So they flew off their posties and came wailing, sailing and flailing down to my house. Woo, woo, woo. And creak, pushed open my door. They thought that I was asleep, so they started to creepy, whisper, closer and closer. And they opened their mouths, and I wonder what's gonna happen. I sat up in bed and shouted, "Boo!" Oh. "Help!" yelped the ghosties, and they tumble-tingle fled out of my bedroom and into the night. Quivering like jellies, those 3 little ghosties wobbled to their posties, sucking on their thumbsies, waiting for their mumsies, who came and caught and scolded them. That means that they told them that they were being bad and that they should not do it again. And they sent them home to bed. Look at them. They look like they're still scared in bed. The end. All right, so there's a fun little Halloween book. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.